from there, right? So those are the two scenarios, and I'm gonna put it in a alert group. Okay. Okay, so we have GU there as well. GBP, JPY. Did cover this earlier. Similar to GU, I'm looking for it to actually respect this resistance and keep falling. To this next weekly support. So just wanted to make sure you guys have, obviously first TP would be this area of consolidation here, and then essentially we're going to target the weekly resistance where we have more of a confluence in a higher time frame, as we can see right here. So that will be our target. There we go. In case this breaks back above, but it's looking still pretty bearish. So I would wait for this sell. Actually, I am in the sell on this. I'm holding it from last week because I saw this fake breakout on this candle. And, you know, obviously body is still closed below the weekly resistance. And, you know, that is something I like to see, as I am in the sell and looking to continue selling this pair. So let's share that. Let's see, GA. So with the GA, we have this strongly formed ascending channel. It is currently in this zone where we can see it being respected because it is intraday resistance and also top of the channel. So we can see it coming down for probably, let's say, probably good 80 pips, right? And unless we have a breakout, I wouldn't continue to hold it if you guys enter this, because it could very well respect this zone right here, because there's confluence with the bottom of the channel and also the intraday support. So this might keep pushing all the way up here before we get actually the breakout of the channel. Once you get the breakout of the channel, you can look for it to do some retest right here if this happens, and then you are safe to sell it to this bottom zone, right? Because this is the previous swing low, so we will be targeting that and also weekly support. So let's put this in the, or if I get a breakout. So we're going to add some notes. Let's actually make this a bit bigger. Okay. I would rather like to see retest of this area here, so we can grab more pips out of this. So we will be watching it. And I especially like GN because GN is at the top of the this zone right here, right under the weekly resistance. So this breakout of the channel and retest would also be very, very strong retest of the weekly resistance, and it definitely should be an amazing trade for about 200, almost 270 pips. So this is actually my favorite of the week so far. But unless we get another bounce off of this bottom within the channel and break out above, then maybe we can look for the potential buys and take it to the next zone. As of right now, this is what I'm really looking to happen. So I'm just gonna save it like that. Wait, let's add notes in it. Okay, let's see. Here we go. Okay. Okay, we don't have any chat messages. GBP CAD. Let's see. Actually, this pair could be due to reversal. Let's bring this on down. And let's look for next weekly support. I'm gonna switch to line chart. And yeah, this could be it too. Let's use that and this. Excuse me. So this pair I would measure it right here, because few things can happen. Since it's already rejecting this zone, I would like to see come up to 61.8 and then sell it from there, right? Or if we get a breakout and retest, then we can maybe look for, taking it down to the next zone. So I would essentially look for this zone as a selling zone right here. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna add that to. All right, I think we are left with GBP CHF. Let's see. All right. Similar as GBP CAD, right? This is actually looking really nice. So this will be our sell zone. And also, if you guys want to, you can buy the breakout of the channel. Just ride up this retrace and then wait for some rejection in this zone so we can, switch to sell. Okay. If you guys have any questions or anything, feel free to interrupt. And now we can switch to Euro pairs, right? Let's see what are they presenting us here. So I like it. I like it. Exactly did what I was hoping it will do. It rejected this weekly resistance. Okay. Let's see. I don't like this. It's too spread out. Okay. So actually this is better to observe on 1 hour. And I'm gonna add some notes here. All right, let's add this in the notes. So I'm gonna share this as well. So I really like GBP NZD and Euro AUD so far for sell. Euro GBP, I'm not so attracted to this pair at the moment. So I will probably just skip it because unless it breaks this channel, I will not be trading it. But I will mark it up. There we go. Euro NZD. This is pretty bullish. So let's look at it on 4 hour. Okay. So with Euro NZD, we have a strong bullish movement. And I would wait for a little more retrace. Kind of opposite of GBP NZD, so I wouldn't enter sell until we have breakout and closure below this intraday support. EuroCAD, let's see, we have a bunch of going on here. Let's clear that. Okay, I like it. Yeah, I like this to continue. Sell. All right, added some notes here. So let's mark this weekly support. Okay. Here JPY, I'm favoring move to the downside still.